Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, and right now Sun is moving in your first house. Means Sun is your ascendant lord. First house deal with you, your personality, your nature is seen from first house. Your fundamental needs, your fundamental wants, your fundamental thoughts, your fundamental perceptions are also seen from first house. The major aspects of life is also seen from first house. So right now your first house lord is moving in your first house, where Mercury is also moving in retrograde motion. Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. So 11th house lord and your second house lord is also moving in your first house with your ascendant lord. So we can expect you may have good result in the month of September, especially before 17th of September, because Sun will stay in your first house till 17th of September. So 17th of September, we can expect you may have good result regarding your health related matter, your personality related matter as well, fame related matter as well, because Sun is moving in your first house. So your personality will be dominant in the month of September, because right now your ascendant lord is moving in your first house. Ascendant lord is Sun itself, and Sun will illuminate the significance of that house in which Sun is moving. So Sun will illuminate the significance of that house in which Sun is moving. So we can expect you may have good result in the month of September, especially before 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your second house in the sign of Virgo, where Mars is already moving. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your family's wealth is seen from second house, your family's teaching is also seen from second house, your food intake habit, your wealth, your saving, and your speech related matter is also seen from second house. Mercury also controls your 11th house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder siblings are also seen from your 11th house. Your gains are also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and fulfillment, so hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Your PR is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house lord and your second house lord is moving in your first house. Your ascendant lord, your 11th house lord and your second house lord right now moving in your first house. So we can expect positive result regarding your money related matter as well in the month of September, when Sun will move to your second house after 17th of September. So we can expect positive result regarding Sun and Mercury in the month of September for all the Leo Ascendant people. Also, we can expect you may have some good news in the month of September, and some of your hopes and wishes will come true in the month of September, because your 11th house, your hopes and wishes lord is also moving in your ascendant with Sun. But you need to take care of your ego related matters and your communication related matter, because Sun represents ego and right now moving in your first house and also your ascendant lord. So we can expect in the month of September, especially before 17th of September, you may have to face a lot of ego related matter and ego related issues. So you need to take care of these matters in the month of September. So we can expect these results from Sun and Mercury in the month of September for all the Leo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now Venus is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Cancer. Third house deal with your communication. Your communication skills is seen from third house. Your youngest siblings is also seen from third house. Your cousins, your neighbors, your efforts is also seen from third house. But mainly your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. Your 10th house deal with your work environment. Nature of your work is seen from 10th house. How are in your work is seen from 10th house. Your authority at your work is seen from 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, and your work colleague is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and third house lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with your isolation, your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. Your dreams and your sleeping pattern is also seen from 12th, and your 10th house lord is moving in your 12th house. So you need to take care of your work related matter in the month of September. We can expect you need to take care of your work related matter in the month of September, because your 10th house lord in the month of September, if you are working in your homeland, because your 10th house lord is also moving in your because your 10th house lord is also moving in your 12th house, and 12th house lord is also moving in your 10th house. So we can expect you may have some opportunity of work from abroad or foreign land in the month of September, especially before 17th of September, because right now your 10th house lord and third house lord is moving in your 12th house, and right now Venus is in retrograde motion until 3rd September. So we can expect you homeland, so you need to take care of your work related matter and your losses at your workplace, because your 10th house lord is moving in your 12th house. But if you have some connection connection related to foreign land in regards to your work and your work nature. And if you have some business related to foreign land and import, then we can expect positive result for you people in the month of September. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of September. Also, Ketu is moving in your third house from last year, March 2022. And Ketu create disturbance in the house in which Ketu is moving. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your third house related matter. But you need to be more careful in the month of September because your third house lord is moving in the house of loss, in the house of expenses. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of September for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 10th house in its exalted position in the sign of Taurus in your 10th house. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September, we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet and Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influence very the positivity or negativity. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house and especially problem will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Virgo. 4th house deal with your mother, your relationship with your mother health is seen from 4th house, your emotion, your property matter, your vehicles and your home related matter means your physical home is also seen from 4th house. 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your teachers is seen from 9th house, your religious matter is seen from 9th house, your long distance travel, your pilgrimage related matter is also seen from 9th house, your higher studies means post-grade education and long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house lord and your 4th house lord is moving in your 2nd house in the sign of Virgo. So we can expect in the month of September you may have some gain related to money and your family members may have some gain related to money as well because your 9th house is also deal with luck and your 9th house is occupied by Rahu and Jupiter. Jupiter perform very well in the 9th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your money related matter in the month of September as we discussed previously in Sun and Mercury section because your 11th house lord and your 2nd house lord is also moving in your 1st house means money will come to you. So we can expect positive result and good news also come to you in the month of September. So we can expect these result from all the planets for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of September. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously in Sun section, Sun will move from your 1st house to your 2nd house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in retrograde motion in your 12th house and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023 and will turn into direct motion on 4th September 2023. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September in your 9th house. Fourth and last major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, Mercury is right now moving in retrograde motion in your 1st house and will stay retrograde till 15th September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos for the whole year of 2023. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Leo ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.